The global auto industry has witnessed a seismic shift with the arrival of a fresh hypercar that raises the bar on performance. China's trailblazing car, BYD Yangwang U9 Xtreme, has bucked the trend and rewritten the record books to demonstrate that the future of high-performance automobile engineering does not lie in Europe, Japan, or the United States. Having already set a record at electric top speed with its earlier U9 Track Edition, the U9 has now returned in extreme form, taking performance to an entirely new level. On its recent high-speed test, the U9 Xtreme recorded a staggering 308.4 miles per hour, 496.22 kilometers per hour, at Germany's ATP Papenburg high-speed oval in the expert hands of race driver Mark Bassing. The feat was recorded as a one-way run, so SSC's Tuatara's official two-way average record at 282.9 miles per hour, 455.3 kilometers per hour, is still intact. Regardless, Yangwang's victory is a marvelous engineering achievement, particularly in outpacing the Bugatti Chiron Supersport 300+, which gained international attention for recording 304.77 miles per hour, 490.48 kilometers per hour in 2019, in identical conditions. For a Chinese electric hypercar to surpass such a hallowed European standard represents a tipping point for the hypercar market. The basis of the U9 Xtreme's blistering capabilities rests in its behemothing powertrain performance. The hyper-sophisticated vehicle deploys 4 electric motors, matched to deliver an eye-watering 2,978 horsepower, well over double the already staggering 1,288 horsepower of the stock U9 model. To balance out this massive power delivery is the addition of a world-first 1,200-volt architecture on a production car. The U9 Xtreme features the world's highest battery technology among all BYD models, with higher energy density to deliver power delivery and efficiency at high speed, even during long highway drives. Manufacturing of the U9 Xtreme is maintained very low-key with only 30 examples to be produced, so that it remains one of the most exclusive and limited performance vehicles in the world. Price information is not given, but with its record-breaking figures, cutting-edge technology, and sheer limitation, it almost guarantees a sellout order book. The car must appeal to a specialized but loyal collector and tuning audience wishing to have a share of driving history. An onboard clip of the lap record broken is used to give some idea of how breathtaking the U9 Xtreme's acceleration is. The footage shows the hypercar lapping the oval's banked turns at over 186 miles per hour, 300 kilometers per hour, before unleashing the car's full fury on the straights by Bassing. The U9 Xtreme acceleration is phenomenal, reaching 280 miles per hour, 450 kilometers per hour, and 292 miles per hour, 470 kilometers per hour, apparently out of control, before raging on to its top speed of 308.4 miles per hour, 496 kilometers per hour. Onlookers estimated that the car also appeared to have enough room to continue even faster, possibly even over 310.6 miles per hour, 500 kilometers per hour. But the attempt was abandoned before it could be fulfilled, since Bassing was reckless enough to brake the vehicle before it drifted as far as inches from crashing into the left-hand barrier. The U9 Xtreme's greatness is not so much encapsulated in single-line speed. BYD also announced that the hypercar lapped the legendary Nürburgring Nordschleife in a blistering 659.157, title holder of the only production electric vehicle's lap record. The Xiaomi SU7 Ultra previously claimed the EV record after posting a 7-minute 74.957 lap. A sub-7-minute lap of one of the world's most challenging circuits proves that the U9 Xtreme is no novelty. It delivers well-balanced handling, cornering stability, and track-tested dynamics alongside its headline-grabbing top speed. One of the most interesting things about the U9 Xtreme is how it marks a turning point in popular opinion towards Chinese performance cars. Historically, China's automotive industry has been more focused on practicality, value, and mass market appeal rather than sheer speed and engineering excess. Yangwang defies that stereotype by actually stretching the performance boundaries of an electric vehicle. Its global launch is a sign of China's growing technological maturity and willingness to compete with the world's most seasoned hypercar manufacturers. Moreover, the U9 Xtreme outlines rapid EV development and infrastructure expansion in China. The 1200-volt architecture doesn't all translate into outright top speed. It also greatly improves charging efficiency, theoretically allowing ultra-quick top-ups for drivers who will be using the car to drive to circuit events or road trips. This makes the hypercar not only a record breaker, but also a showcase for future-proof electric technology that can trickle down to cheaper cars in the future. Design-wise, the U9 Xtreme is one for the books. Its body is also aerodynamically optimized for the near 500 km/h speed it's capable of reaching, as well as feature dramatic looks with aggressive vents, creased lines, and racing hardware that tells everyone about its capabilities even while still on the ground. Every surface piece has been optimized to shave off drag, generate downforce, and remain stable at velocities most airplanes have taken to the air. The cabin itself, though, must blend luxury accoutrements at a high-end scale with driver-focused ergonomics, so the occupants are equally comfortable as they are in charge while they explore the vehicle's capabilities. This combination of unbridled power, forward-thinking engineering, and cross-continent capability renders the Yangwang U9 Xtreme an unqualified technological phenomenon. The vehicle is a forceful declaration that Chinese makers no longer lag behind, but set the world's pace in creating new benchmarks for performance. Its innovations in electric driving, battery packaging, and chassis dynamics will undoubtedly not only define future generations of high-performance EVs, but also direct the path of mass-market electric mobility. The implications of this achievement are far-reaching beyond the record books. European manufacturers like Bugatti, Koenigsegg, and Pagani dominated the hypercar conversation for a long time, with Japanese and American manufacturers contributing to their own engineer myths to the fray. The fact that a Chinese hypercar is now part of the fray with a capability of outperforming these car gurus portends something: a democratization of performance technology. It indicates the globalization of innovation in the electric age and presages revolutions of cars in the years to come can originate anywhere. As the company edges ever further towards electrification, the U9 Xtreme is a reminder of what is possible when cutting-edge electric drive meets unrepentant passion. It's not merely fast for an EV. It's one of the fastest things human hands have ever created. Period. Its lap record-breaking and Nürburgring supremacy establishment demonstrate a car that is both technological marvel and symbol of a new era of performance engineering. For technologists and hobbyists alike, the Yangwang U9 Xtreme is a tantalizing taste of what's to come in the world of hypercars, when tech meets electricity and pure velocity.